Hello everyone, I'm here with another video. With me here in front I have the Type S jump starter and portable power bank. You can find it at your nearest Costco. Right now the price on this is $59.99, which is a great price because a couple years ago I bought another Type S jump starter. This one has higher capacity and it's actually $20 less. I paid $79.99. This one's $59.99. It has a digital display. The other one didn't have anything. It just had light indicators only. So here's the front of the box. Here's the side. Clamp cables to battery. Ready start vehicle ignition. Unplug batteries and disconnect. And then yeah, here goes the screen. Here's more of the details. This is great to use if you're on a road trip or just to have in your car as emergency backup if your battery dies in a winter or something's going on. You always want to have one of these in the trunk so that you don't have to rely on jumper cables in the second vehicle to jumpstart your car. This one would be nice to have. See the box. Sorry for the glare. Let me try to move it out the way. The Ultimate Travel Companion says it has an LED flashlight. Has a 65 power delivery USB-C charging. You can charge MacBooks, notebooks, PCs, laptops, power banks, all sorts of things, tablets, whatever. This one here, it's ideal for 6-liter gasoline engines or smaller 4-liter diesel engines. It's ideal for diesel trucks, cars, SUVs. The capacity is 8,600 milliamp battery. The USB-C input and output is PD charging, so it's fast charging at 65 watts. This power bank or the Jumpstart is good for 12-volt batteries. Here's some more of the specs. The specs is capacity. Sorry, I don't know if it can focus. I can read it. Yeah, it's not really focusing, but capacity is 31.85 watt hours, at 14.8 volts. The inputs would be 5 volts, 3 amps. The highest output is 5 volts, 2.4 amps. The current start voltage is 500 amps. And it is rated as IP64 splash resistant. So if you're outside, obviously you're under the hood or wherever the battery is going to be at. Sometimes that conditions aren't ideal. So this jump start, it is splash resistant. So it can get a little wet. Again, it has LED light, USB-C, USB-A charging, jumper cable port, lithium-ion battery. And it's safe too, safe and smart jump starting technology. It says polarity protection, over discharge protection, low voltage protection, reverse charging protection, short circuit protection, overheat protection, timeout protection, temperature control protection, and spark proof clamps. So it seems like it's very safe. Again, I've used the older style of this exact charger, power bank, jump starter. This one just seems more capable. So let me go ahead and open it up and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, with everything out of the box, this is what we have here. First, we have the USB to USB-C charging cable that comes included in the box. We have the warranty protection guide. Gives you 1 year of coverage when you register. You have your user manual guide. You have your actual jump starter, and then the power cables you connect to the jump starter to go ahead and jump start the batteries. And then also you have a carrying case or a carrying bag. The one that I had before had a hard shell carrying case. This one's just a little bag you can just put all this stuff into. Not really much protection, but I would assume this you would keep in the trunk, underneath the trunk, or in the glove box. So it really shouldn't be, out and about or exposed where it can get damaged. But it would have been nice to have a hard case shell. But again, based on the price, I'm okay with that trade-off. Having this product being better and a better price, that works for me. But yeah, just wanted to show you the jump starter real quick. I haven't had a chance to use it, but here, as you can see at the top of the jump start is your flashlight. Then you have your door here for your USB input and output. Looks like we have USB A. Flip it. Yes, your USB A and USB C. I'm sorry, folks, it's just not focusing today, but anyways, there they are there. And then this flap here, you open it up, and this is where you can insert your power cables. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but let me try and do it. Here we go. So this is where you would connect this piece here to this piece here. Once that's connected, you go ahead and start it up. On this side here, here's a power button. You press it, and there is your battery percentage. And it's pretty straightforward. Here's all pretty much the information from the box. Here's information when you have your clamps onto the positive and negative terminal, your capacities, stuff like that. So it's pretty straightforward. You just go ahead and connect this to that, plug into the battery, clamp them on, wait for the indicator lights to show, and start right up. Again, this is a pretty quick unboxing and overview of the Type S Jump Starter, available at Costco for $59.99. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, and I just actually wanted to show you, I put it to charge, and this is what it looks like while it's charging. Gives you battery percentages. You see it blinking that it's charging up, and it will go up gradually up to 70. There you go, 70%, up until it gets 100%. So that's a pretty neat feature. Just having a display where, like I said, I had another power bank. It didn't really have any display, just had a blinking light indicator, and you didn't really know what percentage you were at. So this is nice upgrade. Also, another thing I saw in the box as I was putting everything back, it does actually come with a cigarette lighter charging port or car port charger for this product. So it does come with this as well out of the box, USB-A, and you can connect the USB to USB-C to charge it, but this does come out of the box as well. I can't really read what the amp or how. 6 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps max. So it definitely do the job, but it's nice to have it. It's included. I know with the old power bank, Power Jump, it did not come with this. It just came with a USB-A to USB-C charger, and that's pretty much it. So overall, it's a very nice package, and thankfully, I don't have a dead battery at the moment to try and test this out, but when the time comes, I will be happy I have this in my car to get me out of that situation. But anyway, just want to show you guys that. Thank you.